How to fix WhatsApp status not showing. First, open settings of your device. Tap on apps. Then tap on app management. Scroll down a little and tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on storage usage and clear the cache from here. Go back and tap on force stop. Tap on force stop again to confirm. Now go back to Google Play Store if you are using Android. Search WhatsApp app on the search bar. If you see update option here, update the app. But if you don't see update option, then open the app. Now tap on updates at the bottom. Then tap on add status and select the photo or video to add a status. Now tap on the green button to publish your status. See, the problem is fixed and your status is published. And that's it. This is how you can fix WhatsApp status not showing problem.